It's so big you could put a pool out here. Guess what? Belterra has a pool. But look at this. Ah, it's huge. Huge. Look at me. You love big homes? You're gonna love this one. Jeremy Knight, the Night Group, your favorite off-to realtor. We are inside 341 Bitterroot. This is newly listed in Belterra, one of the best communities Southwest Austin has to offer. I'm going to go through and show you this home, what you're going to love about this home. And on top of that, I'm going to show you the best qualities of this home. And we're going to talk about Belterra and why you want to be in Belterra. So follow me along. Here we go. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about this house first. This is a 5-bedroom home, 3,600 square feet. It is a gigantic house and a fantastic neighborhood. This also has 4 full bathrooms, which we're going to show you here in a minute. On top of that, it is on 0.42 of an acre. So if you want space, space is right here. When you walk into this home, there's something right here that you're going to love. And you have 2 full bedrooms right off the entry. You're gonna love the door, by the way. The door is fantastic. I've never seen a door like this that I absolutely love. I'm gonna show you some of the features here in a second. Let's start off with bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 and their bathroom. Here we go. All right, now let's step inside of the kitchen and the living room. Right behind me is a full, huge dining area. This dining room is perfect. And what's great about this house, and I didn't say earlier, it is on a corner lot. This section of Belterra doesn't have very much traffic. So when you're sitting here at dinner, looking out and getting hill country views from these windows, you are not going to have a ton of traffic going by this corner lot, and you're not going to really deal with a neighbor. And oh, wait, I did say it was 0.42 of an acre. Can't wait to show you some more of the outside. Let me show you the kitchen, because the kitchen is a centerpiece, right? We love the kitchen. We always think of the kitchen as a centerpiece. So let's go see it. Oh, by the way, there's a lot I got to show you. So stay tuned. Come on. What you're going to notice in this kitchen, it is wide open to the living room, and it is put together quite nicely. Now, I recently watched a video that was talking about layouts of kitchens not being efficient. Well, this one is efficient. Why you have the stove, built-in stove here, and then you have your sink water fountain over here. But look, you also have a huge island for dining. We're going to show you that in a second. Oh yeah, did I show you the range hood though? I mean, look how amazing the range hood is. So you have the stove over here. So the flow for cooking is fantastic. Backup camera guy, we actually have the trash right here. Boom, the trash is right there. So the flow of this, all the cabinets, you get a lot in this house. You got a wet bar area over here, fantastic. Stainless appliances right here that stay with the home. Anybody ever show you the inside of a fridge? I do. My clients put this wet bar in. If you want a house with a cool wet bar on 0.42 of an acre, you got it. Anyway, kitchen is fantastic, open to living room. Let me show you the living room. You know what? Before we show you the living room, let me show you one of the first little treats that you're gonna like. Come on, check this out. Oh, wait, we can't show you the laundry room yet. Hold on. You're gonna love the laundry room, by the way. Let's show you this room now. Okay, so this bedroom is a full ensuite, right? This is a second full, basically master bedroom, main bedroom, however you wanna call it. I know it's 2024. You have great lighting in the windows here, but check out how this has its own huge master bath. If you have like a live-in nanny, if you have somebody that just needs a big full room that you don't have to bother, if you got a live-in grandparent or parent, whatever, this is the room for this. Okay, here's what I love about this living room. While there's no furniture in this, let me show you what it looks like staged. Now that you're back, imagine spending nights in the winter, like tonight, it's gonna be in the 20s here in Austin, can you believe it? And you have a cool fireplace. Lots of space in this living room. And you have these motorized window shades. So you're gonna look out at your balcony or your patio here, which has got its own fireplace. We're gonna show you that in a second. Real quick, we're gonna step behind my guy over here and we're gonna show you something really, oh, there's another bedroom over there. I didn't even show you that. There's a whole other bedroom. Let's show you this bedroom first, come on. In this room, you have a full game room right here. What's nice about this game room is right behind this game room, you have another, which could be a full office. We'll show you in a second. or it could be a gym. My clients had it as a gym, but this is right on the other side of the living room, so you have even more space. If sometime in the future you want to knock this wall down and extend it, you have the most gigantic room in the world. Let me show you what was and could be the gym. Here you go. I know you want to see outside because I told you it's 0.42 of an acre. You want to see that, but I'm going to give you a little treat real quick. Let's check out the laundry room. Okay, come inside the laundry room. Now, I don't ever really show a laundry room unless it's like this one. My clients painstakingly put in all these cabinets and all this space. Now, when you're in your Zen room, which sometimes can be the laundry room, you don't want to have stress. Well, with all these cabinets and all this space in here, you don't have stress. And guess what's on the other side of me? A 3-car garage. So you come in from the 3-car garage right here. Yeah, 3-car garage. I don't even think I mentioned that thing yet. Oh my God, there's so much more to talk about in this home. All right, we're gonna go outside and I'm gonna show you the master bedroom. But first, camera guy is gonna show you the garage. It's not every day that you get your realtor laying on your back patio, but I'm here. I'm not gonna come lay on your back patio, don't worry. But what I love about this patio is that you have the fireplace right behind me. You can sit here, watch that. You can put a gas stove right behind this so you can cook out here. Lots of fun stuff with the stub out. And you have this really great covered patio. Look at the stars. And in a second, I'm gonna show you how big this yard is. Just to show you how big this is. If you want a fun realtor, you can definitely call me and buy this house too. Look, this is on 0.42 of an acre. You could put a pool out here. It's a corner lot. There's so much to love about this lot itself. Okay, I'm tired. Let's go look at the master. Man, it is a good thing I worked out today. Oh, dude, what are you doing? All right, what's cool about this master bedroom is from here, I can actually look out and get hill country views from the master bedroom. I also have this awesome master bathroom, which I'm gonna have to show you, and you're probably gonna get a shot at me in the bathtub, so let's go check it out. I'm just kidding. How many times do you see me in the bathtub? You wanted to see me in the shower? No, I'm keeping my clothes on, but look at the closet for this master bath. And then look how great they did with the tile, with the front tile on the tub. Pretty cool master bath. I gotta show you one more thing though. Let's go. Oh, no, this wasn't it. This wasn't it. The last thing I really wanted to show you about this house is the location. So let's talk about Belterra and why so many people want to be in this area. Number one, the schools. This goes to Rooster Elementary, Sycamore Middle, and Dripping Springs High School. This district is rated an A across the board. So this is one of the reasons why people are moving towards Dripping Springs, are moving to neighborhoods like this. Let's talk about Belterra, the community. Everyone that I talk to that wants to move to a nice community wants some amenities. This has lots of pocket little parks throughout. It has a community center. There's a gym here as well. On top of that, there is a very, very large pool. Plus behind me is the basketball courts. You can probably hear the kids playing basketball right now. My son has actually played baseball at the baseball fields here when we practiced for his team. So the amenity center is why people love Belterra 100%. Okay, let's talk about the location to downtown Austin. The location is absolutely phenomenal. You're only about 20 minutes, 25 minutes to downtown. Now look, things are gonna get better with traffic as the Y gets fixed. But then you also want a community that has lots around it. Right next to this is the Belterra Shopping Center. I work out personally at Gold's Gym there every day. Look at these buff arms, okay? I work out there. All right, I walk by it too. There's a lot to do there. There's barbecue, there's lots of food options, and it's a great place that is local, right? Plus there's a lot of community events. So let's get back to the house, huh? All right, you're back. Thank you for checking out 341 Bitterroot. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on this video. If you want to buy this home or maybe any other home on the market, give me a shout. We're a full service team and we're husband and wife. You don't necessarily going to get me all the time. You get my hot wife. There you go.